Good night to the haters, though. That is true. That is true. So we marked out I marked out my daily high and low. So I'm still laughing at your good night. So our daily high and low is all set. Do I know where we're going to end this week? We could end this week for a buy. It's a pretty big wick. We could. But there's been times where we've ended a week like this. So go with the flow. That's what we're going to do. Let's see what the market gives us. It looks like a pullback somewhere. We do have a sell signal. We hit take profit 1 yesterday on our live stream. As you can see, my signal kind of pops up there from yesterday. And it kind of looks like we're pretty weak to make a reversal. Move on down. Down here, I'm seeing the same thing. I don't see any strong pushes up. I don't really see any indication of moving up. We did kind of break out of this trend line we formed here, as you can see, just a little bit. Here's the 30-minute, 15-minute. So get a buy signal and a sell signal in the 5 minutes. So we had our little sell signal here at 5 a.m., buy signal at 8:35. Did we have news? I don't know. We did have news at 2:30. We had news at 8:30. Nothing else. That was Canada. So let's see what happens. I do have one request before market opens here. If you guys can help me out here, I called off the other day, and when I called off of the live stream because I was sick, I ended up getting 3 negative reviews. And then people reached out to me asking me if everything was okay. I don't want to lose what we have going on WAP. I absolutely love it, but I cannot believe people left negative reviews because I took a day off. But besides that, is there any way that you guys here, I don't usually ask for reviews, but if you can go to the WAP and click the 3 little dots in the corner and leave a review. If you can leave a review, that would be absolutely amazing. And it's just small little favor, but thank you so much. I just want to keep our storefront in good standing, and we are getting positive reviews, but I guess people got upset the other day when I didn't go live and they just left negative reviews. So thank you so much. Thank you. Good morning. Be glad to leave a review. That's ridiculous of people. Thank you. You got it. Absolutely. You totally deserve an awesome review anyway. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. I don't push for reviews. I'm not that kind of person, but I also know that it could on WAP, if you don't have enough positive reviews, like they don't agree with people on the platform. And I'm not the type of person to be like, please leave me a review or I expect a review. Like I just let everybody do their thing, but I don't want to lose it. And it just came out of nowhere. And I was like, why? Why? So I'm glad you all love it here and you're having fun on the live streams with me. That's all that matters. And let's get down to market open here. I did run scalper last night. Scalper's been running for 2 days. The scalper did $7,200. Oh my goodness, can you even see that? No, you can't. $7,200 overnight. That was insane. 7,200 overnight. In the past 2 days, it did 35,000. So that was really, really cool. Nitro's in a couple trades right now, so I'm happy with that. We're up like $683 for the week. Scalper is my other automated trading robot. It trades all night long. So Nitro is like your during the day thing. And at night, you can have Scalper run all night. Or you can have it run 24/7, which is a little more risky, but I suggest just running at night. Yes, I will send you a link for Scalper. Scalper is actually directly on the website. If you go to firestormtradingacademy.co or Firestorm Trading, or it's firestormacademy.co or firestormtradingacademy.com. You will be able to go directly to our website, or you can go on our Instagram and find it. It trades gold. Really good at trading gold. Absolutely love it. So I am kind of looking at market opens here in a minute. Kind of have this little trend line break, and we have this little potentially break of structure. You know, they're kind of weird trend lines. You also have this break of structure right here. Weird, but could be something. We have our low, we have our other low. We probably will tap into London lows. So we'll stay patient. I use CoinEx. I've had great success with them. They're absolutely great. Their customer service is super fast. We did break out and move down. Kind of figured because we have a lot of sellers pushing in here on Bookmap. Oh, they backed off for a second. I'm just gonna hold off, see where the market wants to go. Patience, it's a Friday, so don't be. What size account is Scalper running on? Scalper's running on $100,000 account. I will open up smaller accounts for you guys, but this is 100,000. This is proper. Seems like it wants to hold up a little bit. That's a good point. Everything here. Yes, you can start using Scalper again. Scalper is like, honestly, I talk about how people sleep on Scalper. And I don't think anybody knows, but I created an AI bot for Scalper so you know when to turn it on at night. So you don't have to be relying on like your instinct of looking at the market. You could screenshot gold, send it to the AI chatbot, and the AI chatbot will tell you if the conditions are good to run Scalper. Like I did that for Odin, and I did it for, I'm doing it for Nitro, but I did it for Odin and Scalper. Both of them have AI chatbots that teach you all about the bot. You can send it your settings, you can go over different settings with it, and you can also learn how to like back test with it. And the other thing you can do is, what's that? Oh, it'll tell you when to turn it on or off, and it will look at the news with you so you could send it all this details. and then it will come to a conclusion whether it's a good time or a bad time to run the bot that night. Good morning, everyone. So yes, Scalper has its own AI chatbot, Odin does, and Nitro's coming out with one this weekend. Yeah, so I wanted it to help calculate because I know a lot of people are like, oh wow, I wish I ran it. I wish I knew this. I wish I knew that. So I had this bot specifically look for certain things. So you know, that's why the indicators also has a chat bot too. So if you get a signal, it will help you look at those things and then be able to determine whether it is a good trade to take or not, because you can use our AI chatbot to help you take our signals that have the accuracy meter. Or if you're just looking at the market as a whole, blank chart, and you're trying to learn market structure, the bot can help you with that and help you look at certain things. We did like slightly tap into London months, not completely. So we're gonna see what this does. If we get a trade, we get a trade. If not, whatever, it's Friday. Said something about my camera. Kind of stuck in this little range here. We did break. We could scalp a little buy here. We break above into this area. Got stopped out a little bit on that one. It's okay. Just wait. A nice break. This is the 9:30 high or 8:30 high from the news. So we could be pulling a little 5-minute candle hack and then coming back up here. The sellers came in. Yeah, I'm looking for a little buy. See what we do. If we can break this. Oh, goodness. Doesn't want to like move on up there. Hmm. Stop down, break even. Yeah, I took a little loss. Yeah, that's what I was saying. I was actually thinking of sell at that point. Maybe here. Okay. Didn't count my entry. Okay, just use it. I'm not in. Just waiting. I'll put it over here. For the next one. That 1 minute looks weird. Well, my initial buy is gonna work out. I had this right here. It hit my stop. Right there. Looking for breaks. I would say. Moving on down. My son just texted me. He said, "When we be done, mommy, I'm hungry." You just ate. Comes those sellers. I want to see a nice push down here to pull break even. Very cool. You gonna range today? Probably. I'm stopped out. Yeah, it caught me at my entry. I don't know when you got in, but was gonna pull the break even. Should have. I was up 700 at one point, but didn't take profit. I locked myself out at $1,100 loss for the day. It's fine. We win some, we lose some. Yeah, I know. It's Friday. Yeah, I'll trade some pocket option and recover. It still doesn't recover these. Down 350, down 858. It is okay. It happens. Sometimes you're down for the day. Sometimes you're up. Can't be everything. Totally normal. We just got a message asking when the Nitro promo ends. The Nitro promo ends, I think it's 4 days. So yeah. And 4 days, 5 days, the Nitro promo will be ending. Do I live trade on pocket option? I do not. I do not live trade on pocket option. I tried doing it in the morning, but I'm not a morning pocket option trader. I trade pocket option in the afternoon between like 12 to 3 p.m. Those are my favorite times to trade. So that's usually what I do. Yeah, it was a crappy day. Took a loss. Well, it's just gonna do exactly what I said earlier. We just want to come down and make sure nobody can do it. We're not. My goodness. Yeah, it seems like a range day. And sometimes you get caught up in those. I mean, that's all it's been doing is ranging. You're up $1,175. Congratulations. Can you make a playlist of all the different 5 minute candle hacks that you have on your channel? Yes. If you go to if you go to my Instagram and comment on one of my posts and comment Bookmap or link, you will get automatically a message sent to you with the list of videos. Bookmap has the most videos. I think I have like 3 videos on that. And then I also have a course inside of the Firestorm indicators called the 5 minute candle hack. And there's videos inside of the course for that. There's 4 videos. You're welcome. Yeah, this 5 minute candle hack would have been great. Put in a 21 EMA. Okay. Let's do EMA. What, 21, you said? Change it to 1. Okay. There you go. Oh yeah, it does bounce off of that a few times, doesn't it? Hmm, that's pretty cool. Crazy range. Yeah. I don't like entering at the top of wicks that look like this. Looks awful. It doesn't want to break out of that 15-minute opening range. It's being awfully slow. We got 2 minutes left till 10 a.m. What that means is usually some sort of reversal candle. Really? Was US 30 beautiful? I'm gonna be pissed. Look at that. Just like iPhone. Crazy. It's 10 a.m. Look at those sellers sitting up there though. At the 750s, that level. All the sellers are just sitting up at that 750 level. I would not be surprised if we just like snap back down at that area. I've noticed it does. If it's going in the direction of the trend, the 5-minute candle hack will work in the London session. Yeah. Yep, London high. We didn't completely tap into the low. To that level. Yeah, I did notice that they're different with Top Step. I'm using Tradify, they seem to be the same. They're pushed down. They moved from that 750. Moved down lower. There we go. Mhm. Have no trading Friday. Mm-hmm. Can you explain why my signals are so small compared to your alerts and big profits? Well, I'm on micro NQ futures, and mine are yours also could be small or look small because you need to adjust your chart. So if you grab this, you can open it and you could see the trade bigger. Up another 500. I'm down on my actual live accounts, but I did take a 5-minute candle hack reversal right there. It was a quick one to pass a couple challenges. If you're in this, hold a break even. Recover, take profit. Even if you're at break even. We're gonna probably go down to these lows. Or at least that pivot point. You would have re-entered right here when it tapped again. Like I've spoke about before, I re-entered 2 times. There was no re-entry on the second time. I passed a challenge for $6,000, so that was cool. I had that one sitting around. Pivot point smashed. That would be like your take profit 2, take profit 3, take profit 1 would be around this area. Midway through, like we speak about. Well, I gained most of my loss back, only down 500. Called it for the day. That's it. We only get 1 second chance on signals like this. Called it. Be happy that you recovered and you're only down 500. There you go. Hit the pivot point. Recovered the loss, now up $247. Yay! Now get out of the market and lock yourself out. Me itching at my neck right now. Do not. Jasmine, just leave. So I got up late, was able to catch a small portion of that. Congratulations. Jasmine's like, I'm running. I'm leaving. Out of here. I locked myself out, so I went to challenges and passed those. I got some money to go activate. Got 5 minute candle hack. 5 minute candle hack. Yeah, that would have been a sell. See if we actually tap into that London low here. This little area down here. We're about to have full take profit smash. There you go. That was a nice little 5 minute candle hack. But full take profit hit. I'm getting off here. Nothing else for me to do today. Uh, what was I gonna say? I forgot. Slipped my mind. But don't trade anymore. It's a wild weekend or wild Friday. Don't let the weekend be ruined over this nonsense. So with that being said, you're welcome. Please go leave a review if you can. If you weren't on earlier, I called off a couple days or a couple days ago. I called off for one day. I got 3 negative reviews on my wall. So if you can go leave a positive review, that would be absolutely amazing. I would be so grateful. And I'm sorry to ask, but I don't want to lose the WAP platform or anything like that. So if you can leave a review, that would be great. You just click the 3 little dots in the corner when you log into the WAP on my Firestorm indicators. and you can leave a review there, that would be enormously helpful because I just want to be able to not have any problems with the platform and our training and everything else we have set up there. So I will see you on Monday. Thank you so much for being on. Thank you for being patient. I might have had a loss today, but a lot of you had a win because you were able to recover. And I am so happy to see that. Have a good weekend. Bye. And I will see you on Monday.